Now let's move on to 汉字, the Chinese characters. The first one is 少. Does this character look familiar? Look at this one. This one is 小. We have learned this before. So they all look like small grains of sand. Back in the days, these two characters, they were interchangeable. But later on, they add one more stroke to this character to differentiate this from 小. So remember, this one is 小, and one more stroke here, it is 少, which means few or little. And now you can trace it or write it down. The next one is 个. It originally meant an individual person, and now it is usually a measure word. Now you can trace it or write it down. Now let's talk about the structure of Chinese characters. We have covered single component, and under the compound structure of Chinese characters, we have learned left-right, left-middle-right. So today we'll be introducing two more compound structures, which is top-bottom and top-middle-bottom. For example, 是. This is the top of the character, and this part is the bottom of the character. And this character, 高. This part is the top, this is middle, and this is bottom. Just have a look at these characters. You don't need to know the meaning of them. Just know that these two, they are the top-bottom structure, and these two characters, they are the top, middle, bottom structure. And now let's move on to our Chinese radicals. The first one is 金, and this is the character when it's written alone. As you can see, it is the shape of a metal container. So when you see this radical, and you know that the character is usually related to metal. For example, this character here, 钟, it means clock. And clock is made of metal. And this character here, 钱, it means money. In the ancient times, the money was made of metal, like copper coins. This is an easy one. 口, when you see this radical, it is usually related to the mouth. So 吃, it means to eat. 喝, it means to drink. Again, you don't need to learn these characters yet. We're just getting a general idea of how Chinese characters are formed and the logic behind it. Alright, that's the end of our lesson 8. See you in lesson 9. 再见.